You're watching How Leap. Let's delete your WhatsApp status. Open the WhatsApp application on your phone. Tap on the Status tab, which is represented by a circle icon next to the Calls tab. This will show your current status updates along with updates from your contacts. To delete a status you have posted, look for the My Status section. Tap on the specific status update you wish to remove. This will open it in full view. Now tap the three vertical dots in the top right corner of the screen to open a menu. From this menu, select Delete. A confirmation pop-up will appear asking if you want to delete this status. Tap Delete again to confirm. The status is now immediately removed from your profile and will no longer be visible to any of your contacts. You can repeat this process for any other status updates you want to delete. Remember, deleting a status only removes it from view. It does not delete the original photo or video from your phone's gallery if it was saved. For more simple computer tutorials, subscribe to the channel.